This video is made only for educational purposes. No stock ETF should be bought without advice from your investment advisor. Top gas distribution stocks to buy now. Gujarat Gas. Gujarat Gas Limited is one of India's largest city gas distribution companies with highest sales volume among listed peers. Sales volume grew at 15% CAGR in FY17 to FY21, driven by industrial PNG. The company benefited from NGT order for Morbi industrial area. Mahanagar Gas Q3 FY22 PAT of 57 crores significantly missed the street's estimates due to a sharp fall in EBITDA, emerging by 73% YOY. Miss in EBITDA margin was due to decline in CNG or I&C margin led by doubling of gas costs amid high spot LNG prices. Share of RLNG in the gas sourcing mix is at 15% because of lower APM gas allocation. CNG, I&C and PNG volumes grew strongly by 27% and 16%. Continued mix of LNG for CNG, DPNG, further hike in APM gas prices and likely higher dealer commissions are key margins concerns. Petronet LNG. Petronet LNG Limited was formed by the Indian government to import liquefied natural gas and step up LNG terminals in India. The company operates two regasification terminals situated in Dahej and Kochi. Consolidated revenue is up 16.5% QOQ in Q3 of FY22, driven by higher prices and volume growth. EBITDA margin rose by 33.6% QOQ to 1,732 crore as EBITDA margin expanded 170 basis points QOQ to 13.7% on higher realizations. PAT grew by 41.8% QOQ to 1,159 crore. Strong demand for natural gas, limited competition, capacity expansion, better operation efficiencies and efficient commercial management should drive company performance in future. Indraprastha Gas. Indraprastha Gas Limited is one of India's largest city gas distribution companies and primarily operates in NCT of Delhi. CNG sales contribute more than 70% of its total sales volume. Sales volume grew by 6% CAGR in FY16 to FY21. Share, give a like, leave a comment. Please subscribe our channel